In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel an appointment on Acuity scheduling. First and foremost, let's address why you might need to cancel an appointment. There could be numerous reasons. Maybe your schedule changed, perhaps you made the appointment in error, or you simply changed your mind. No matter the reason, Acuity scheduling makes the cancellation process straightforward and user-friendly. So let's walk through it step by step. To begin, we need to navigate to the Acuity scheduling website. It's the virtual doorway to access your appointments, and managing them starts here. Upon reaching the site, you'll spot the login option prominently displayed. Click on this to proceed. Logging in is the gateway to your personal dashboard, where all your scheduling details reside. After you click login, you'll be prompted to provide your email address. This is how Acuity identifies you and retrieves your scheduling information. Type in your email meticulously to ensure accuracy. Once your email is entered, you'll move forward by clicking on Next. This takes you closer to accessing your appointments. Following this, you'll see an option to continue with Google. Opting for this method streamlines the login process by using your Google account credentials. No need to remember another password. After selecting to continue with Google, you'll need to choose your Google account. This step confirms which Google identity you'll use for accessing Acuity. Make sure to pick the account associated with your Acuity scheduling to prevent any access issues. With access now secured, it's time to navigate to your appointment. If you've reached this far, you're doing great. On the dashboard, locate the date of the appointment you wish to cancel. You can find the date selection option, which provides a comprehensive view of your scheduled appointments. Having identified the correct date, you'll see your appointments listed. Now it's all about finding the specific one you intend to cancel. These are usually presented in a neat list or timetable format, giving you a clear overview of your day's schedule. Upon locating the right appointment, your next action is to cancel it. You should see a button or link labeled Cancel. Click on it. Acuity Scheduling designs these options to be intuitive, but it's crucial to double check you're cancelling the correct appointment. After clicking Cancel, you will be prompted with a final confirmation step. Cancel appointment. This is your last checkpoint. Clicking on this confirms your intention to cancel and finalizes the process. It's a necessary step to ensure that cancellations are not made accidentally. And that's it. You've successfully navigated through the process of cancelling an appointment on Acuity scheduling. Remember, it's always good practice to notify any involved parties about the cancellation directly, especially if the appointment involves another individual or service provider. This maintains courtesy and professionalism. Throughout this video, we've walked through each step with clarity to ensure the process is understandable and easy to follow, but it's always beneficial to revisit steps or pause the video when executing the actions on your own. Acuity scheduling is designed to be user-friendly, fostering a smooth schedule management experience. Whether you're adjusting, cancelling, or booking appointments, it's geared towards making your life easier. Remember, managing your time effectively is key to maintaining balance and reducing stress. Platforms like Acuity Scheduling offer the tools to help manage your commitments with flexibility. Cancelling an appointment, as we've seen, is straightforward and quick, allowing you to swiftly adapt to changes in your schedule. Finally, always ensure you're logged out of your account once you're finished, especially if you're using a shared or public computer. This keeps your account secure and your information private. Thank you for following along with this guide on how to cancel an appointment on Acuity scheduling. Here's to managing your schedule with ease and efficiency. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more useful tips and tutorials.